Before your Eureka J15 Pro Ultra robot vacuum can start cleaning every corner of your home, it needs one thing to be connected. Stick around, and in just a few minutes, I'll show you how to set it up and get it rolling. Go to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for the Eureka app. Download and install it on your smartphone. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection before proceeding. Press and hold the power button on top of the robot vacuum until you hear a startup sound or see indicator lights. This means the device is active and ready to connect. Make sure it's placed near the charging base and has enough battery for setup. Open the app and tap Add Device and follow the in-app instructions. Power on your robot, select your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password when prompted. Once paired, you'll have full control over scheduling, cleaning modes, and more, from anywhere. That's all it takes to connect your Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.